Brad Pitt scored a legal victory amid his ongoing court battle with ex-wife Angelina Jolie over their French winery Chateau Miraval, RadarOnline.com has learned. Judge Lia Martin said she was inclined to grant Pitt's motion, meaning Jolie would have to turn over all the NDAs she has entered into with various third parties since 2014, the year they wed, including those signed by her staff. Jolie's attorneys disagreed with the judge's tentative ruling, according to Daily Mail. Lawyer Paul Murphy asked the judge to consider several factors, including to limit the release of the NDAs signed by Jolie only in 2020 to 2021, and not any related to her companies, according to the report. "I don't see this as a character question," the judge said in LA court on Thursday, noting the final order would be rendered by this afternoon. There may be agreements that Jolie entered into with people that may have terms similar or not. The court is not making any findings today about admissibility of the documents. As we previously reported, the famous former Flames have been in a battle royale over Jolie's decision to sell her stake in their French winery to Russian billionaire Yuri Shefler, who controls the Stoli Group, in 2021. This latest development came after lawyers for Pitt filed a motion in court April 5 demanding that Jolie produce non-disclosure agreements she has made others sign. His response followed a motion filed by Jolie's team seeking to release communications they say would prove Pitt would not let Jolie sell her share of the winery to him unless she agreed to a more onerous and expansive NDA. Jolie explained she opted out of selling to Pitt for $54 million because she suspected a non-disparagement clause was a thinly veiled unconscionable attempt to control her. For Pitt to equate common NDAs covering confidential information employees learn at work, with him attempting to cover up his history of abuse is, frankly, shameful. All she wanted was separation and health. She deserves peace after all these years, Murphy previously said. Pitt denied allegations of abuse and claims that his NDA was overly strict, explaining that her lawyer proposed an even broader, mutual non-disparagement clause. By way of example only, if Jolie has required others to sign NDAs that were at least as broad as the one she claims was so unconscionable here, it would severely undermine her claimed excuse for terminating negotiations with Pitt and covertly negotiating with Stoli, he argued.